Hey guys, welcome back. Captain Ron here. Today we're going to be looking at a tattoo machine, specifically the Stigma Climber, aka the Stigma EM-146. I picked this up on Amazon for a low, cool price of $69.99. You can get it in a kit on Amazon as well. For an additional $20, you get the machine, wireless battery, box of 20 cartridges, co-wrap, and all the O-rings and the 2 extra cams that come with it. So for $90 you can get yourself a heck of a machine that is able to line and shade very well. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Probably throw it on the scale so you guys can see how much it weighs. We'll plug it in and see, maybe plug in a cartridge or two to see how it sounds and performs, and I'll show you something that I worked on last night with it, and so you can kind of maybe show you what to kind of expect if you wanted to pick this up for yourself. For $69.99 is a killer deal. This is a pretty awesome little machine, especially when it comes with the 3 stroke options, and it uses the same stroke options as the CNC machine. So if you're wanting to get like the 4mm stroke or the 3mm stroke out of it, I say it's totally worth it. And you could add this one to your collection too. So it comes in this cool box. I ordered this on Monday and I received it on Wednesday. So it got here really quick. So just so no one's confused, this is not Stigma Rotary, that makes the super high-end tattoo machines. This is Stigma Digital, the ones that make the aquamarine carts and the really good round shaders. So let's go ahead and open it up. Get our camo box. It is a little dirty because I did tattoo with it on some practice skin for about 2 hours yesterday. So inside we get our gray and black. It does come in 3 colors: all black, gray and black like so, or black with the blue missile fins, I guess you can call it. It is shaped like a bomb, which is a very cool design. You know, with this you're able to, you know, if you wanted to, you could, you know, display it even like this. It'd be kind of cool. It has a ratcheting grip, nice solid clicks. So let's see what we get inside the box. So open the box. Inside we get our manual, Stigma Climber, or Stigma EM-146, very similar to the CNC manual. Now I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure, like, you know, Stigma Digital, CNC, Haw Inc., all those guys are part of the So Long tattoo group. But I could be wrong. So inside we get our motor parameters: nominal voltage 12, nominal torque, rotor inertia, our RPMs, rated current, I think that's milliamps, I could be wrong. O-ring maintenance, we know that we want to keep those lubricated. It says instead of using a professional lubricant, you can use oil. Sterilization, the grip itself is autoclavable. It does come with RCA. Tells you how to install the stroke options. You want to leave a gap on there just like the CNC machines tell you to do. So it says 157.7 grams, what it's used for. We're going to put it on the scale so we can test that. We get it comes with a 3.5mm stroke on it. I took it off and put the 3mm on there because I'm going to be shading with it. And we get an extra 4mm stroke. You can see that on there. 4mm. It does come with an L key. Comes with a clip cord, some spare O-rings, another L key, a very similar clip right angle RCA cord that come on, focus. Come on, you goddamn thing. Very similar to clip cord to the, I'm sorry, this fucking thing is not wanting to focus, to the CNC machines. There we go. Not as stout. It does feel a little bit more relaxed, you know, flexible than the CNC one, but okay, so that's what we get inside the box. Let's look at our machine here. RCA connection. Now I've already opened this thing up and put my own lubricant on it, which is super lube on the O-rings and white lithium grease on the ball bearings. It did come lubricated. Has nice thick chunky threads, which those are just a little bit more expensive to manufacture. But it does also mean that you don't have quite as fine as adjustment when it comes to your needle protrusion. But essentially what that means is one click you get a bigger adjustment than one click on this one would be 2 or 3 clicks on a smaller threaded machine. So let's take a look inside. Come on, focus, you goddamn thing. A 2610. Now, I did say that is a Germany style motor or something like that, but it is not a foul harbor. It just could be programmed very similar to a foul harbor, so that way they can make that claim that it's, you know, kind of a beginner's trap, if you will. It does hit very soft, but it is also very capable of lining. So when I put the 4mm stroke on there, I cranked it up to 9 volts, and I was able to push a 9 round, no problem. Number 10 9 round. So yep. So yeah, it is very close to what they said it was going to be. So yeah, about 160 grams, which makes it nice and weighty. Let's plug it in. Let's get a cartridge over here. This is a Mass Pro cartridge. I am going to be reviewing these. I just got these. These are freaking awesome. I wish I would have discovered these a long time ago. This is a 13 round mag. I also just received 4 boxes of cartridges from Mycia, which they just sent me for free to review for the channel. So I'll look forward to those. I'm just trying to think of a good way I can review them to give them a good fair shot. Seven and a half volts. Does run very smooth. It does feel really good, just like this right here. Like I said, I was tattooing with it yesterday for about 2 hours, and I didn't even bother to wrap it and go wrap or nothing. I was just using it like this, and I just kind of forgot that it was even like this. It was so comfortable to tattoo with. Cool. Mass Pro cartridges, awesome cartridges. Those are going to be coming up soon. So, yeah, just with them straight black. Now keep in mind, I'm not a professional by any means. I'm self-taught. I have taught myself how to line and shade and everything. So I was able to achieve these very smooth, straight black shades with this Stigma machine and a 3mm stroke, using just that Mass Pro 13 round mag and a Mycia flat mag. These outer lines right here are, I believe it's the number 10 9-round liner from Mass Pro as well. And then on the smaller inside lines, I used a bug pin 7-round from Mycia. I had the 4mm stroke on it for that, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This has been the Stigma Climbers, aka the Stigma EM-146. You can get this on Amazon for less than $70, which makes this a killer deal if you're trying to get into something, or if you're trying to find something specifically for shading. This has been a great machine for me. I look forward to learning on this thing and being able to produce even greater work. So, my name is Ron. Thank you for giving me the luxury that is your time. I do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. All right, peace.